Friday, August 2nd, 2019. We're here to do the brief update on the construction at St. Mary's Community Room. Looks like they are digging into the side of the hill here on the Church Street end of the building here. Probably finally expanding the parking lot a little bit. Parking lot definitely needs expanding, and it looks like it might be being done, but here's what this angle looks like. Got part of a roof up there. I believe that will tie in with the existing roof. And they've been pouring cement. Looks like the flooring is in. Like the floor has been poured. And here's another view. And of course, all their trucks and backhoes and stuff have to be out of the way for Mass on Saturday night, Saturday evening Mass, so they can't leave. They leave, of course, the trailers are here, and a few of the items are left here, but for the most part, this stuff has to be cleared out so people can park here for Mass. This is what this view looks like right there on this August 2nd, 2019.